MD stands for Markdown. It's a simple way to format text for the web. You can read it in Notepad, but a Markdown viewer will show you the bolding headers and links properly. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Here is a viewer. The easiest fixes come first, but I want you ready for the ultimate solution. The magic utility that specializes in the MD format. Details below. An MD file contains text formatted using Markdown, a lightweight markup language. Markdown files are designed to be easily readable in plain text while also being convertible to HTML or other formats. They are widely used for creating documentation, README files, notes, and web content due to their simplicity and versatility. Markdown uses simple syntax elements like asterisks for emphasis, hash symbols for headings, and brackets for links. These elements are easily parsed by Markdown processors to generate formatted output. The format prioritizes readability, making it easy to write and maintain documents. Various Markdown editors and converters are available. For MD, start with Markdown Editor Guide to ensure the header is interpreted correctly. Native Windows tools are insufficient for viewing all the file's raw data. Windows includes built-in software that can display or modify text files easily. The first step is to check which program successfully reads the file's header. Right-click the MD file and click Open with Test Markdown Editor. Guide if present. If it is unavailable, select another program. We need to check every option. If your MD file still refuses to open, stay calm. Let's systematically test the most common failure points to isolate the issue with your MD file. First, use Text Editor, IDE. Open the file using a text editor, Notepad++, or an IDE VS Code that supports Markdown Preview. Next, check syntax. Review the code for basic Markdown syntax errors. Finally, convert to HTML to PDF. Use a Markdown processor, e.g. Pandoc, to convert the MD file to HTML or PDF. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.